Suddenly I saw that there were 30 to 35 brokers came inside and they started smashing windows and banging monitors and all.
At least that gave us a bit of validation that we are doing something which has enraged enough people to come and knock on our door.
Broker adds no value into the system, right? So broker unnecessarily thrives on the disinformation in the market and they just make money out of it.
We are trying to solve a problem which is so unique in nature. Nobody in the world, never mind India, has tried to even think about that.
We wanted to remove the middleman. So that disruption wala mindset has come to all aspects of whatever we do at NoBroker.
We compared the old ways of doing things to what current ways of doing things are. The idea was to tell them that that's what NoBroker was doing. So iPod versus, let's say, a record player. So that was, I think, an interesting campaign. Where we are now, NoBroker is a one-stop shop for all services. Now, conveying that is our primary goal. Now, that campaign has come out really well.
During such a drastic and bad situation, this company still appreciated, still maintained its offer, and they preponed it actually.
You can reach out to anybody, even the founders, any problem you have. There's never going to be like, why did you not come through another person?
There is no hierarchy and usually the idea wins over the designations. So if there is a very, very junior guy who has joined us a month ago and if he comes with an idea, he or she should not hesitate to discuss it with me.
Now I can see that women have reached to the leadership level as well here in the company.
I don't see any bias. It comes very naturally. So I don't see that there is any difference between me and any of my male colleagues here.
The leadership, the product folk, every single person I work with, they're very supportive. They're always a call or a text away.
The freedom that we get here in terms of the decision making, the projects that we want to work on and all is very different.
Founders are on the floor working together with a team across levels.
There is one day that I remember quite well, which was the day when we got the funding and we turned unicorn.
A day that I'll always remember is the hackathon, and it happened soon after we joined. The energy everywhere was super exciting.
Earlier it was the executives who were doing it with the say city knowledge or the locality knowledge. Now it's with the help of AI.
There's a lot more work happening on the AI side as well. So recently launched a product around confluence. So a bunch of interesting things coming up at the confluence of real estate and tech plus AI overall.
It is a tool that is helping us to drive efficiency and put out more relevant things for the customer out there.
Goal-oriented hard work is the key for anyone's success.
Be curious, be energetic, be aware of your surroundings, be empathetic, and yeah, you can go and rock in life.